Have you ever wondered why the sea sometimes rushes miles inland, sweeping away everything in its path? This isn't just a big wave from a storm, it's a tsunami, a powerful force of nature that has amazed and frightened people for centuries. You might think a tsunami is just a gigantic wave, but it's much more than that. The word tsunami comes from Japanese, meaning harbor wave, because these giant waves often crash onto coastal towns, causing great destruction. So, what causes a tsunami? Let's imagine the peaceful ocean floor, far below the waves. Sometimes, the solid ground beneath the sea suddenly moves. This can happen when two huge slabs of the Earth's crust, called tectonic plates, bump into each other. The plates can get stuck, squeezing together tightly, until suddenly snap. One plate jerks up or down. This violent movement shakes the whole ocean above. When a massive underwater earthquake happens, it pushes the water above it upwards with incredible force. Picture dropping a stone into a pond. Ripples spread out in all directions. In the ocean, though, instead of a little splash, imagine the seafloor lifting or dropping all at once. This mighty push sends waves racing across the sea at speeds as fast as a jet aeroplane. Tsunamis can also be caused by big underwater volcanic eruptions, landslides, or even asteroids splashing into the sea. Anything that gives the ocean floor a sudden thump can set off these monster waves. Here's what's tricky. Out in the open ocean, a tsunami wave isn't very tall and might only look like a gently rolling swell. Boats far from shore may not notice anything odd. But as the waves reach shallow water near the coast, they slow down and grow taller, sometimes as high as a six-story building. The water piles up, forming a wall that thunders onto land. Some people think the tsunami looks like a great, curling surf wave. In reality, it's more like a fast-rising flood that can sweep far inland, carrying houses, cars, and anything else in its path. Tsunamis are rare, but when they happen, they can change lives in just a few minutes. That's why scientists study earthquakes, volcanoes, and ocean waves, hoping to warn people when a tsunami is coming. If you're ever near the sea and notice the water suddenly rushing far out to sea, or hear an official tsunami warning, move to high ground right away. Remember, the sea sometimes keeps its biggest surprises hidden far beneath the waves.